Good morning. How's everybody doing? Well, I woke up to some good news today. I did. My phone rang about 15 minutes ago. And it was Joe Tedesco, the chief of the fire company, informing me that they had hired me to do the fireman's dinner this year. There will also be, I guess, this guy that did the used to play at Mona Lisa's, but due to the demands of the catering and business, the table that I used to use to set up his board on and stuff, they had to use that table, so he basically lost his job, which is a shame because I think he was well liked there. I was up kind of late last night, making my new mix. And here it is. Yep, here it is. Of course, the camera doesn't want to focus right away. There it is. Camera's just waking up itself. Yeah, it's about 10:26 in the morning, Saturday morning, and it's a beautiful one. So, I'm going to jump in the shower and get my day going. It's called Falling Out of Summer 2004. And I wanted to add some of the purchases I did last week. I don't remember where the heck I put them. Alright, well, I'm gonna get my day moving, jump in the shower, get going, and I'll see you later. I found where I put those other CDs, right there. But that's okay, I can make another mix. Yeah. Creativity is always flowing, my friends. Hey, fish. Are you guys hungry? I bet you are. Okay, try to open this and on one hand, lift the lid with the other, and voila! Foodies! Oh yeah. His boys was hungry, and his boys was hungry. His boys were hungry. These fish were hungry. Boy, there's not many up there, man. What's up with that? Did we lose a few? Oh no, they're all getting up there eventually. Maybe the little ones aren't so little anymore. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day in the neighborhood. Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Won't you be my neighbor? Look at these dogs. They're playing watchdog, huh? Yep. We go over and see them for a spell. Where'd they all go, man? Must have all went down to the seafood fest. All right. Hey! Oh, here they come. Here they come. Oh, yeah. Here come my boys. Here come my boys. Yeah. Who you think's more vicious? Well, his tail's wagging more, so tempting you, kind of midnight. What do you, Ranger? Oh, it's definitely not you. You're not the killer watchdog. You go to me good morning, Rick, and then you say I'm out of here? Alright. Yeah. Alright, you guys. Catch you on the flip side, my dears. So I got hankering for pancakes. Where do you think I should go? Darn right. It's coffee, pancakes. Oh yeah. Well, I got through all that seafood fest traffic, and I'm here at the food walk. So why do I go this way? I go to that end, then I go to that way, down to the canal, and I'll call Kathy again, and hopefully meet both or one of them for afternoon elevation. Italian ice. At the other end. That's where I get for my fish and chips every year. Don't look at this, folks. I've never been in here. Candy. Just smelling all that sweet stuff makes the blood sugar go up. Oh yeah. We got the food court. We got the train. I don't think it's running today. Wow, some of the rides are running today, huh? Oh my God, these little kids, they go on these big rides, which my stomach couldn't handle that even back in the day. No way. Some people stare at you when they see a camera in your hand, so if I'm like pointing that around, that's why. Some people, they see the camera in your hand and they give you this look like, don't put that darn thing at me. Alright, we're rolling. Don't worry, I'll still get some pics of the beach, even though summer's over. Alright, this may be one of the last, I suspect, today's probably going to be one of the last days I can walk around without a jacket or sweater. It looks like they rebuilt the golf course, huh? Like my golf course. I remember the golf course when I was little. I wasn't a very good golfer, but it was fun anyway. Yep, they're totally rebuilt the golf course. Totally rebuilt it. That's awesome. Version of Seagulls Saturday. Check this out, Ron. Get your heart out. Check it out, guys. Crazy. Whoa! Oh my God. They eat right out of your hand, huh? Wow! Look at this. They eat right out of this man's hand. Wow! Boy, they're eating good. You're feeding them pizza? Oh my goodness. He's feeding them pizza. Unbelievable. These guys eat better than I do. Is that Mona Lisa pizza? Is that pizza from Mona Lisa?